No phone calls, no textings, no recall sex. These exes keep on dancing in kitchens with new temporary strangers.